I really can't believe that this little bit of a difference is all they did. Hey, it's Mike here. UPS just dropped off the new iPhone. This is my old one, 15 Pro Max. This is the new one that just came in. This is 14, this is 15, and then this is 16. The 15 box is just a tiny little bit thicker than the other ones. Other than that, that's just the packaging. I'm going to take a look at this. Flip it up here. Nice. All right. I'm looking at the color here, and it does remind me of like a kind of like a goldish version. You can't really tell that this is the new one just by looking at it, unless you look super duper closely at the wide angle lens. Maybe, but just you can only pretty much just tell by the color. So that means all my other old cases will work okay with it, with the exception of having the camera control on there. Let's see, do you see any differences? It's very hard to tell. So you got the actual piece over here. This is now camera control. Lining up with the buttons on the other side, looks like it's exactly the same. All right, take a look. I'm gonna have to put on one of those protective screens on here, because even though they say they increase the quality of this every year, and maybe not this year, it still definitely will scratch. And I have scratched my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Camera control right here. Let's see. It is an actual physical button. I know early on videos were showing that this was not a button. This is a button with haptic in there. Whereas over here, this is what used to be over here. And then we just have a braided cable. Just like the original. I don't think these are USB 3 speeds. I could be wrong. No more stickers. They could put any less in here. You no longer need a physical SIM. Yeah, that's information that everybody knew already. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. That's it. As I'm putting these two side by side, the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max, it is ever so slightly a little bit taller. Just a little bit. So I am going to need to get some new cases. So looking forward to try a few of those out. I know a manufacturer too are sending me some, and I'll post about it a little bit later. And of course, the best way to tell the difference between the two of them, the 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, is you can see the bezels just incrementally smaller, but it is definitely noticeable between that edge right there and then the edge on the 15 Pro Max. Anyway, it's going to be another 3 more hours before I can actually get going with this and trying it out. Just a quick little tip: if you are interested in using your phone right away, do the restore from an iCloud. This way it doesn't restore everything all at once, and you start using your phone, and you can finish with the transfer a little bit later. Anyway, after the 2 hours are up, I'll be posting more about some of the things that I discovered with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you're interested, please give us a like, subscribe for more. Catch you next one.